What's up, guys? John here with Maniacs Garage. We're at Welder Up Vegas in Las Vegas, and I'm going to show you guys around. This is an event that happens every year. It's the day before the Rat City Rukkas that goes on here in Vegas. So Welder Up, sure you guys already know what this place is. If you don't, go look it up, Welder Up Vegas. They do an open house and a swap meet on the day before. So today's Friday, and they have a whole bunch of people come out with their rat rods, mostly, obviously. And there's vendors out here as well, selling all kinds of parts. So I'm gonna take you guys through and kind of show you what's going on here today. John here with Maniacs Garage. Do you guys want to quiet down your noisy car? Or are you planning on putting an audio system in and you want to control the vibration? You need to check out Dynamat. These guys offer this product that's peel and stick. It is thin, flexible, sound dampening, vibration control. Go check them out at dynamat_official on Instagram or dynamat.com on the web. All right, let's go inside. They have a museum here, so let's check out what's going on in there. That thing's got a motorcycle in the front of it because the engine is right here. Look at that big old beast right here. That's crazy. This thing's pretty sweet. I think the guy said it's a 1930 International. Chop, channeled, all that good stuff. It looks just right, man. It looks really, really sweet. here right now. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you guys like to support our channel, go to our website at maniacsgarage.com. Check out the merch we have on there. Hats, t-shirts, decals, and more.